Hey guys, so I'm back and I know I keep posting more like every other Tuesday instead of every Tuesday like I'm supposed to. Just been kind of struggling to get everything together, but I'm doing my best, you know, to balance school and all that. And yeah, I was watching some of my old videos and one of the ones I watched was the Nutella mug cake recipe, and I love that recipe because it was so simple and so quick to make, and I think it's great for beginners, and I want to be able to give you guys like a lot of fun and easy recipes from scratch because I know not everyone is like a super advanced baker, you know, so I want to give recipes that everyone can do. So I figured I'll find another recipe for a mug cake, a different mug cake. So the last time I made a Nutella mug cake, and this time we're going to be making Oreo mug cakes, and this just looks so good. I'm so excited. So yeah, let's get started. The ingredients you'll need to make the Oreo mug cake will be 4 tablespoons of all-purpose flour, 3 tablespoons of sugar, half a teaspoon of baking powder, 2 Oreos crushed, 3 tablespoons of milk, 1 tablespoon of oil, and 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. So all you need is a 12-ounce mug or larger, and make sure it's microwave safe. So yeah, and then you could just go ahead and start adding in all of our ingredients into the mug. So I'm starting with the flour, then I'm going to add the sugar, the baking powder, the Oreos, the milk, the oil, and finally the vanilla. And then you could just take a regular spoon and then just mix that all together until it's all combined. Now once you have that all mixed, you can put this in the microwave for about 90 seconds to 2 minutes, so just keep on checking it. So I lost the footage from my other camera. I have no idea what happened, but this is a clip of me decorating the mug cake with some whipped cream and crushed Oreos. This part is totally optional, but I just thought it would be a nice little thing to add. And this is the beautiful finished mug cake. I am so happy with how this turned out. It looks so good and it smells so good. You can really smell the Oreos, and oh my god, I can't wait to try this later. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a big thumbs up. Subscribe because I post every Tuesday, and comment down below any questions or suggestions for what you want to see me bake next. And my social medias are always in the description, so go follow me on my Instagram and Twitter, and I'll see you guys soon. Bye!